Alright, we're still on the 26th. Things have escalated. Got started on this little guy. Got the entire rotating assembly together. New rings, new bearings. Polished the crank. Hung those cylinders, of course. Machine shop put new cam bearings in it, freeze plugs. Cleaned it up for me. So I just got all the pistons in, the rings where I want them. I was a little concerned about quality of parts, so I went to the parts house and got name brand stuff. Fingers crossed, as it were. And ran into a little bit of a snag somewhere along the line. I've lost two of my dowels. I'm trying to run those down in town, but it's looking like it's probably going to be Tuesday, so I'll have to order them. And front cover is trash. I just thought it was cruddy, but it's actually eaten through one of the water ports, so I can't use it since I can't put it on. I'm not going to get the oil pan on. So I've got it right here. Of course, there's a lot of cleanup and some paint, etc. to do here, but it's the correct pan because I'm going to need that one to hop over that little rusty piece of suspension connection piece right there. Not the steering stuff. It's, well, of course, the ram will be gone. The steering links won't be a problem with that stiffener bar. So I've got the double hump pan, little tiny sway bar. So, anyway, cylinder heads. I'm not really going to be able to see this, but the stock GT Mustang E7 heads, not spectacular, and they shared this cylinder head with trucks and cars, and it's just kind of a corporate thing. But there was a large screwdriver here. There was a large port right here that was part of the air injection system. If you indeed had that, it's also tied to the EGR in the back. So if you had air injection, it would actually shoot air in there, and if you just had the EGR, well, I would just handle that part of it. Now, I didn't cap those little guys off, but I did remove the, it was probably a 1/4 inch little rise that was here, and then did a whole bunch of cleanup work down there. Of course, the valves were out. And then once I got done, off to the machine shop, cut the valves and seats, and everybody happy there. So nothing special, but should be nice and solid. That's what we need. So we can just beat on to work this car out. And, I don't know, it ends up in a truck or some other project down the road. Who knows? Didn't really do anything on the intake side. Just cleaned it up just a little bit. I don't want to disturb that air going in. So that's where we're at. Tomorrow, at least get one cylinder head on. I've got to get the bolts cleaned up. Actually, I have to find the bolts. They're in the box over there. We'll get one cylinder head on and get some dowels in this week, or this coming week. So by the 1st of December, we should have this completely boxed up or sealed up. The pan on, heads, get the intake set on. He's over there. I'm going to do a little cleaning on him. And get a kit for the carburetor. But yeah, we'll get this together, get some paint on it. Then we can set it in the car. Just been a small holdup. I think we covered this on the prior one. I need to find out where everything's going to sit so I can start building the next pieces. So I have the factory headers from that car. So that's the 88 GT stuff. So anyway, we'll see. I'm not really expecting problems. This is more area, certainly, than the Fox body cars have. So it's just a matter of height and then how far back I can get the motor. Anyway, I'd like to see some gains there, but we'll see. But kind of, a friend of mine said, show the car. So make sure everybody can see the car. And probably not going to touch the body this weekend. I'm going to do need to get some more primer on that fender though. So one more little skim of Bondo around a couple spots, and we'll shoot some sealer on there so she won't rust, and we can get on to the other side. Of course, there's 100 other things to do. We'll get there. So that's Saturday. So I'll try and get something else up tomorrow. Probably won't look much different. Just the cylinder head sitting there, but it's progress, so it's exciting. Thanks.